Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn a new grammar topic. Okay, so you already know this. Okay, so in your lower classes, you already learned this. Okay, so who is the determiner for noun, children? Can you remember what should come in front of noun? Okay, and sometimes we use this in front of adjectives also. Okay, so if you want to talk about singular noun, we will use this. Okay, so what is this? Can you guess, children? Yes, okay, so some of you can guess. Okay, as you told, it is articles. Okay, so we have to use this in front of a noun to talk about how much it is. Okay, whether it is singular or plural. Okay, and it determines the noun. Okay, yes, superb, children. Yeah, so in this video, we are going to learn articles. Okay, so what are the two types of articles and where you have to use these articles and where you should not use these articles. Okay, so watch this video carefully till the end. Articles. So what is an article, children? The articles a, and, the. Okay, so these three are articles, isn't it? So the articles are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Okay, so we use these articles in front of nouns and sometimes we use this in front of adjectives also. Can you remember what is adjective, children? Describing word for nouns. Very good. Okay, so we have two types of articles. Can you remember what it is? It is indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, so what are indefinite articles, children? Yes, as you told, it is a and an. Okay, so what are definite articles? The. Okay, so up till this you learned in your lower classes, right? Okay, so where you have to use this indefinite articles, where you should use? Let's see. Okay, so indefinite article a. Okay, so you should use this article in front of a singular noun which is starting with consonant sound. Okay, so can you give me an example, children? Yes, good. Okay, so let me also give some examples for you. A ball. Okay, so ball, B. Okay, it is a noun and it is starting with a consonant letter. Okay, consonant sound. So here you should use a. Okay, so in front of this noun you have to use a. Okay, and then hut. Okay, a hut. So here also this noun is starting with the consonant sound. Okay, a cough. So all these are some examples for the indefinite articles okay, so you have to use a in front of these nouns. Okay, so let's see an. Okay, so where you have to use an. You should use an in front of singular noun, that is same. Okay, in front of singular noun which is starting with vowel sound. Okay, so can you remember what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, isn't it? Yes, if a noun starts with these vowel sound, okay, you have to use an, okay, in front of these nouns. For example, an engine. Okay, so E. Okay, so it is starting with, it is a noun and it is starting with vowel sound. So here you have to write an. Okay, an onion. Okay, and an umbrella. Okay, so all these are some examples. Okay, so an R. Okay, so here H, is it a vowel? No, it is not a vowel, isn't it? But look at the pronunciation. It is R. Okay, it is not har. Okay, it is R and R. Okay, so here it is giving a sound like O. Okay, it is a vowel, isn't it? So here you should use an. Okay, so remember, children, here what I have given? Vowel sound. It is not vowel letter literally. Okay, so if a noun is starting with vowel sound, you have to write an in front of it. Okay, like that. Honor. It is not honor. Okay, it is honor. An honor. Okay, an honest chap. So here also it is pronouncing. Okay, look at the pronunciation, it is O. Okay, so in front of these two things, okay, so you have to use an, right? So a and an, okay, these two are indefinite articles, you already know that. Okay, so a and an, okay, so these two, we have to use these two articles um for what? Okay, so if you want to talk something for a first time, okay, so if you want to talk something for first time, you have to use this indefinite article, you should not use definite article. Okay, and you have to use a and an for a general thing. Okay, so if you want to talk something in general, you have to use a and an. Okay, so but if you want to talk about specific thing, you have to use the definite article. Okay, so look at the example here. We have a test tomorrow. So here you are talking about the test for first time. So you should use indefinite article here. Okay, like that. Veda wants to be an umpire. Okay, so here also you're talking about first time. Okay, talking about this for first time. So you have to write indefinite article and here. Okay, so if you want to talk something in general, okay, so you have to use indefinite article. And if you want to talk about something for first time, you have to write indefinite article. But if you want to talk about something for second time, you have to use definite article. Okay, so look at here. What is the definite article, children? It is the. Okay, so look at the example. We have a test tomorrow. Okay, so here we are talking about the test for first time. That's why I'm giving a test. Okay, so we have a test tomorrow. That is indefinite article. And if you want to talk about the same test for second time, you have to use definite article the. We want to do well in the test. Okay, so here we are using the. Okay, why we should use the? Because here we are talking about the test for second time, the same test. Okay, for second time. So here you have to use definite article the. Is it clear, children? Yes, I hope you can understand this. Okay, so in our next video, we are going to learn where you have to use definite article and where you should not use definite article the. Okay, we have rules for this. Okay, so continue to watch our second video. Thank you, children.